What's going on, guys? I just want to do a quick video for you guys just to show you this Thermapen MK4 I just got in the mail. If you don't know who Malcolm Reed is, he has a channel here on YouTube. It's How to Barbecue Right. It's a pretty big barbecue channel. I learned a lot of stuff on there, so go check that out. Also, I follow his Instagram, so he had an affiliate link on Instagram that had a discount on this. So usually it retails for about $100. I got it for around 80 bucks, which I thought was a pretty good deal. So I finally manned up and bought it because I was being cheap for a long time. But what comes with it is the usual stuff. You get a certificate of calibration right there. You can see that, just to make it official. Then you have the actual operating instructions. Check that out. Then you got their marketing stuff and just little details. I haven't really checked this out yet, but you got that right there also. And this right there, it looks like the same thing, but it's probably different. But yeah, for a long time I was using this iGrill right here. These are for longer cooks. Usually, I mean, the main reason I got this is for chicken. So if I'm grilling chicken, I don't have to mess around. I can just get an instant read within 2 to 3 seconds. So that's pretty good. How this operates is you pull out the probe and instantly you can see the temperature light up right there. There's a backlight, which is pretty good when you're doing it at night. And if you just cover the sensor, then you get that, it lights up. And whichever way you turn it, it turns. And it may not seem like a big deal, but when you're out there grilling and you just put it down like that, it makes it way easier. So that's one good point about it. Also, it's waterproof. Other than that, there's not really much to say about it. I mean, it's an instant read thermometer. You know, it's pretty simple, straightforward. So yeah, these are on the more high end, but there's good customer service with this compared to something you would get on Amazon, because you can find imposters of these on Amazon for probably like 20, 30 bucks. But I'd rather just go with something that's reputable. It's a strong brand and supposedly good customer service, but hopefully I don't have to find out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so the whole point of this is to actually take a temperature. So I'll show you guys. So it's reading 76. I'm gonna dunk it in the water. Instantly 39 degrees. So that was like instantaneous. Oh, and also this back portion right here, if you ever have to change out the batteries, you just pull this off and you can change out with AAA batteries. And then there's also supposed to be something about changing the timer for when it goes to sleep, but from what I've checked out so far, it goes to sleep as soon as you shut this. So I don't know, but they have like a bunch of different colors. I got the green one because I like green. So also, they sent me jelly bellies with this. I don't know why they would send you jelly beans, but there it is. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching.